nakita niya sa GAA yung 2 point something billion for the travel expenses. Tapos parang may nag-text sa kanya.
Which Congress did not intend to do so. Otherwise, it would have placed that phrase there. If that is the intent of Congress. Tama?
Well, Your Honor, I will espouse...
Hindi, tinatanong kita, tama ba?
No, Your Honor, I will
Your
espouse a
opinion,
different
your
view, but I respect the gentleman's right.
Ito na nga, SMNI host Lorraine Badoy, ikinontempt ng Kongreso matapos niyang isiwalat ang paggastos si Martin Romualdez sa pera ng taong bayan. Pero bago ang lahat, maaari kayong mag-subscribe para maging updated sa mga issue at bagong mga balita. Ikinulong at pinagbintangang sinungaling ang SMNI host na si Lorraine Badoy matapos ang kanyang pagbubunyag sa publiko na gumastos umano si House Speaker Martin Romualdez ng pera ng taong bayan na nagkakahalaga ng mahigit 2 bilyon para sa travel funds nito. Hindi pinaniwalaan ng Kongreso kahit kompleto ang dokumento. Narito ang buong detalye.
Kasi, Mr. Chair, kapag mayroong ganyan mga fake news na yan, yung mga tao na naniniwala sa kanila, baka biglang gumawa yan ng gulo. O baka biglang gumawa sa akin ng anuman na ayaw ko. That's the reason why sana, maging careful kayo. Hindi naman kayo militar. Hindi naman kayo Philippine National Police. O, mga broadcaster din kayo. Dapat totoo ang sinasabi nyo dito. At dito rin, sa committee ito, totoo dapat ang sinasabi ninyo. The fact that you accuse me of being a cadre of the communists, there's an evidence about that, Mr. Chair. That is what I would like to say. And I am a witness because I am also a victim. If there's any congressman here who is with the majority, who is the victim of your fake news, it's Benny Abante, a good friend and not roommate of Attorney Suplico.
Mr. Chair, may I respond?
Thank you very much, Honorable Abante. Yes, Mr. Rain.
Yeah. How do I say this? Mr. Chair, unang-una sa lahat, humihingi ako ng paumanhin kay Congressman Abante. Hindi po ganun yung intent na manakit. Hindi po yon. Ang intent talaga dito, tapusin na yung CPP, NPA, NDF, napakatagal na. Ito na yung pinakamatagal na insurgency sa buong mundo. So, I want to respond also to Congressman Abante when he used the word red tagging because there is no such thing. This is that word was made up by the CPP, NPA, NDF, and it is a tool that they use to silence those of us who speak the truth about them. And in fact, our courts, all the way up to the Supreme Court, have already ruled very clearly that there is no danger to life, liberty, and security when you're identified as a member of the CPP, NPA. And if pwede po kong ibigay yung dokumento na yun po, Mr. Chair, yung mga rulings ng Court of Appeals, ng Regional Trial Court, kasi nga po sa unang sinabi ko, sa laban na ito, niyakap na namin ang mga banta, ang mga kaso para patahimikin kami. Pero hindi po namin intent ang
si Honorable Benny Abante has the floor.
Okay.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat siya nag-apologize dito. Pero ang gusto kong marinig dito, Mr. Chair, is this. What you did and what you are doing is offensive and deliberate, and that you have endangered even my own life. You have. And you are hiding the cloak of the powers that be.
Mr. Chair, can I...
May I respond?
Yes. Attorney,
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Rain, may tanong po ko.
I am not angry.
Yes.
I am just dynamic and passionate and excited in saying this.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Benny Abante. I noticed that, especially when you took, you made reference to Rolex, Attorney Rolex being a roommate. I know how passionate you were of the Honorable Fernandez. But, you know,
Yes,
I have a
I am not
question.
a roommate,
Yes,
Mr.
you were
Chair. I
not.
do
Yeah.
not know the meaning of the word roommate, but
Okay.
he's a very good friend.
Okay.
Ang mahirap, Mr. Chair,
Ano
may
wala?
relationship na binanggit si Juan, si
Yeah.
Dan Fernandez.
Correct. Yun ang medyo,
Yun ang question ko.
yeah, yun ang gusto ko malaman.
Mr. Chairman, may I reply?
Gusto nyo na po mahinto yung CPP, NPA, NDF controversy at yung kanilang rule. Kaya anong koneksyon ng sabihin nyo na si Kong Abante ay cuddler sa kagustuhan yung ihinto na yan? Anong relasyon? May I know?
So sir, ang turo sa amin ng mga former cadres na kung kaya't pinaniniwalaan namin ay dati silang kasapi ng organisasyon na ito at mga matataas na ranggo sila. Kasama dito ang security cluster, intelligence cluster, AFP, PNP. So bakit namin sinasabi na why do we need to name yung mga kaibigan ng CPP, NPA, NDF? Kasi po doon tayo nasaktan yung pag-co-op nila ng mga, minsan pa nga maraming beses inosente. As I said earlier, ako graduate ng UP, ganun din ako, sir. Matagal akong nagde-defend sa kanila
Apo.
kasi magaling
Okay,
sila.
so
Yeah.
ano ang relasyon? How do you end it? By making an accusation
No.
and now the Honorable Abante is categorically saying he is not.
No, sir.
And it is, then how do you end something like that? Every time na may marinig ka, you will make that blatant accusation?
No, sir. Very, very important when you name and when you identify that you stand on solid ground. Pag sinabi mo na ito ay miyembro ng CPP, NPA, NDF,
No.
to answer your question, how do we end?
Yeah,
How does that end?
by saying that Congressman Abante is a cuddler. That's what he
Mr.
said. And your
Mr.
first
Chair.
response was you want to end it. That's why you had to
Yeah.
do it.
Mr.
My
Chair,
question, I cannot see the relationship of that
AI.
statement. How does that work?
Mr.
How do-
Chair,
how do-
can
how
I
do-
just say something here
Yes.
before you
Yeah.
answer? Because of your accusation, no? Anong sabi ni Pastor Apollo Quiboloy sa akin? Ito, ikundin nga ninyo ang gawa ng CPP, NPA, NDF. Ito na ang gawa ng NPA na armed group. Pag hindi ninyo makundi na yan, Mayor Magalong at Congressman Abante, hindi red tagging ito. Kasabwat kayo at nagtaksil kayo sa taong bayan. Now, tanong, saan nakuha ni Pastor Paulo Quiboloy? Saan niya nakuha? Sa inyo.
Pwede ko pong sagutin, Mr. Chair.
Yes,
So,
please. That's a good question.
yes,
Mr.
it's a
Ray.
very good question. So, Mr. Chair, ang sagot po doon, ang tinuro sa amin ng mga kadre, mga dating kasapi dyan, parang gold standard ng CPP, NPA, NDF yung magkondena kasi bawal sa kanilang konstitusyon yon. So, gold standard yon para ma-identify mo. So, to move forward to Congressman Abante's question, bakit, anong koneksyon niya dito, di ba? Anong koneksyon niya? So, ang turo sa amin, kaya ito tumagal kasi co-opted. Hindi mo alam na you are already defending and aligning with the CPP, NPA, NDF, and how it ends is at the end of it all kasi, Mr. Chair, is propaganda to recruit our children. Yes, sir. Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair.
Yung sinabi nyo, binitawan yung salta, tapos hindi po tama.
Okay.
Hindi ba ho nakakaawa yung naakusan?
Yeah. Mr. Chair, can I answer?
Yes, please.
Can I answer? So, ang pagkakaalala ko, hindi ko alam masyado yung details ngayon, pero ang pagkakaalala ko, yung kung bakit nasabi yon tungkol kay Congressman Benny Abante ay dahil merong final na bill ang CPP, NPA, NDF party list at isa siya sa nag-co-author. So ang turo sa amin, ang turo sa amin ng mga kadre at saka ng intelligence sector, mga AFP, PNP, ito yung kung bakit tumatagal na nagagamit yung mga totoong kongresista natin, yung mga totoong nagmamahal sa bayan as cover.
Pwede ko malaman, sino po ang kongresistang nag-file ng bill na gano'n at nag-co-author siya? Si Are you referring to any block in Congress?
The Makabayan Block, Mr. Chair, that is the official stand of the NTF-ELCAC, that the Makabayan Block is a front of the CPP, NPA, NDF. Official stand.
Anong
po
bill
yan.
po yun, Mr. Chair?
Ano pong bill yun?
Po.
Ano pong bill? Nag-co-author
Which
po siya. Sabi niyo
Mr.
nag-co-author po siya, kaya
Oo.
niyo inakusan. Ano pong bill yun?
Mr. Chair, pwede bang, yun yung hindi ko nga maalala, Mr. Chair. So kung pwede ba, sa next meeting,
Okay.
sa next hearing,
Sige
dadalhin ko po, Mr.
Yan
Chair.
po yung tatanungin po natin, ha?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Salamat po sa inyo.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Okay. Sa sunod na hearing. Okay. The Honorable Paduano is, Honorable Paduano, sige po, kayo po muna magtanong bago si Congresswoman Stella Kimbo.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, unahin ko lang, no, bago ko balikan si Madam Badoy, with regards to the issue that was raised by Congressman Abante, kasi medyo may exigency to, Mr. Chairman, because the committee will maybe rule, no, on the franchise of SMNI. Now, dun sa NTC, MTRCB, tsaka sa KBP. KBP muna po. KBP, they withdraw their membership as just today. Tama?
We are informed of that. I was informed just this morning.
Okay, they withdraw.
We were informed that they withdrew.
Okay. Now, but there is a pending case. There is a pending complaint with the KBP with regards to SMNI.
We received a copy of the complaint this morning also. Your
This morning also. Now, ako lang, Mr. Chairman, KBP, tsaka, kasi, Mr. Chairman, the alleged violation or complaint was filed on the period that SMNI is still accredited with member of the KBP. So, yung withdrawal ng KBP, actually, will not, with the SMNI with KBP, will not hold water with regards to this investigation. Now, kasi ang alleged violation or complaint was filed during the period na, and was committed, allegedly committed, nung period na nasa KBP pa ang membership nila. So, Mr. Chairman, with the KBP, NTC, at saka yung MTRCB, can we get the commitment of MTRCB, KBP, and NTC? Kasi may exigency ito because that will also support and guide this committee with regards to your decision with regards to complaints that was filed. So can you, Mr. Chairman, can we get the commitment of the three agencies na not later than next week? May resolution na ba yan? Then please submit it to the committee.
Mr. Chair,
Chairman.
Sir Chairman.
Yeah, and then, sasagot.
Mr. Chairman may respond. May we be allowed to respond? First, the Honorable Congressman is correct that even with the withdrawal of Suarasug from KBP, the offenses committed while they are a member are still subject to investigation by KBP. As to the commitment, we have a procedure, Your Honors. We have to notify them of the complaint and ask them to respond. I referred the complaint to the Standards Authority this morning when it was received. And if we will follow the procedure, it will take at least 15 days because they have to be notified of the complaint and asked to respond in accordance with the due process procedures we have established.
So your notification is 15 days.
That is
You
for
will be given 15 days to reply.
to reply, Your Honor. That's correct, Your Honor.
Yan ba yung standard nyo?
Yes,
15 days. So, Mr. Chairman, Mr. You, oh, personally with the stand to end this internal conflict in this country. Well, in fact, during the budget deliberation of the DND, I manifested sa APRO and then sa plenary for the AFP to focus now on the external concerns. Kaya matapos na natin to. But ang hindi ko lang maintindihan, and you always confirm that this is the official position of the NTF-ELCAC. Ang hindi ko lang maintindihan, for example, siguro sa iba, pwede ko pa maintindihan. But as far as I remember, the issue against my former minority leader, akong sumunod sa kanya as minority leader. And that time, sikat talaga si General Parlade. Tama? Ako, of course, you are now directed by this committee to submit all those documents, no? That indeed, that is the official position and the query also of Congresswoman Kimbo. You have to submit it to prove that indeed, that is the official position of the government, especially the NTF-ELCAC. Now, hindi ko lang maintindihan, a mere co-authorship, for example, of Congressman Abante, the NTF-ELCAC and all those subcommittees will conclude that Congressman Abante indeed cuddled or part or protecting the CPP-NP. And I think that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Because, well, in fact, medyo vocal in the House in supporting and defending the budget of all security sectors. Every budget season. Well, in fact, even when I was the minority floor leader. But at one time also, Mr. Chairman, for the record, take the record during 18th Congress, I stood in the plenary and attacked Parlade for the red tagging. My challenge at the time to them is for them to file a case in proper court, not in the media, not in public. And I was not accused of cuddling unless there's a record dun sa NTF-ELCAC, sa ETC, that I am part now of the group or individuals that cuddles the CPP-NP. Sa akin, Mr. Chairman, na I cannot really fathom the decision if that is so, an official position, and I hope we will request, Mr. Chairman, we will request the NTF-ELCAC, the ATC to review that, especially members of the House. Kasi, sa totoo lang, may mga resolution dyan na being pushed by Makabayan Black and some of the members of this House of Congress nagko-co-author. Ang dami natin. Diba? That's why, to single out, because that time, Bene Abante is the minority floor leader and Makabayan Black is part of the minority bloc. I think the NTF-ELCAC and the ATC should review their process. Kasi sabi ko nga, if that is so, then I should be my name should be also questioned by the security sector. Because sabi ko nga, at one time I stood in the plenary and questioned the position of the NTF-ELCAC, especially General Parlade during the time. But every budget, and this is on record, every budget, alam naman ng lahat, na I'm very supportive and defending the budget of the security sector, including the NTF-ELCAC. If I am doing that, I will not be tagged, I will not be accused of cuddling, but at one time I also attacked NTF-ELCAC. Mr. Chairman, we rather ask those agencies involved for them to explain at the same time to review, especially not only members of Congress. Okay lang to ngayon because Bene Abante represent District of Manila. Bene Abante is a bishop. Bene Abante can speak because he is a congressman. But how about those individual being accused of cuddling, being accused of supporting just a mere statement. So again, I would just like to clear it out that I have nothing against the whole of nation approach of the administration, even the previous administration. But what I cannot accept is to accuse members of this House that supporting, cuddling, whatever accusations, because just a mere co-authorship to the bill being filed by the Bakabayan Bloc. Thank you. Thank you,
Honorable
Chairman.
Paduano,
Mr.
the
Chair.
Honorable
Mr.
Benny Abante, who was mentioned, and the Honorable J.J. Suarez.
Just a point of clarification,
Okay, kumuna.
if I may, Kong Ben.
Okay, he will yield, the Honorable
Yeah.
Suarez.
Just addressed to Congressman, to Dr. Badoy. Dr. Badoy, your passion against the CPP-NPA is based on ideology.
Honestly, it's based on most likely being a mother.
Okay, but
That's the center part of it. But a human being, I guess, no?
yes,
See
but
the
other than
sufferings
that,
of our people.
I'm sure following your prinsipyo, yung ideolohiya din ay hindi mo kaisa yung iniisip at ipinaglalaban.
Mr. Chair, hindi po ideolohiya ang tawag doon, kung hindi lang yung malalim na lungkot na ganito yung nangyari sa mga anak natin.
Okay. So, understood. So, and your sentiments, is it also shared by SMNI, or is just solely your position only?
Mr.
Maybe
Chair,
I can ask
okay.
Congressman tuloy, Attorney Mark Tolentino.
Attorney Tolentino.
Per our disclaimer,
Hindi,
Mr. Chairman.
yung overall position lang na
The position of
laban kayo sa
SMNI,
CPP-NPA.
the position of SMNI, Mr. Chair, is nation building. So it's a general statement, Mr. Chair. Of course, that includes anti-terrorism, anti-NPA, Mr. Chair.
So anti-communism din.
Yes. But of course, the general stand of SMNI is nation building.
So anti-communism din. So ba't kayo nakipag-partner sa Chinese Government Network TV? Communism yun.
Mr. Chair,
May I answer? Mr. Chair, could I?
No, I think, no, that's addressed to that lawyer.
Can you just, I'm just trying to find the connection.
there is no partnership yet, Mr. Chair.
You're against communism, you're espousing democracy, nation building, dapat ubusin tong mga komunista. And yet, on the other hand, nakipag-partner naman yung foundation ninyo at saka yung network ninyo with the Chinese government-owned controlled network, which is communist. So how do you connect those,
Mr. Chair,
reconcile those points?
there is no partnership yet, Mr. Chair. So it's still on the process of negotiation. And if there is partnership, of course, we're respecting our stand, Mr. Chair.
Yes, understood. Kaso lang, tumatanggap na yung foundation ninyo ng mga benefits mula sa China. It's on your website. I mean, it's for everybody's consumption. You know, I'm not making this up.
That is in the during calamities, Mr. Chair.
Ito, SMNI Foundation incorporated at Chinese Embassy. Nagpapatayo ng mga basketball court.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. So, I mean,
It doesn't mean that we are against the Chinese style of the communism, Mr. Chair.
No, anyway, I just wanted to put that on the record kasi, you know, it's something that I guess we need to put in our minds, Congressman Benny Abante, kasi yung incongruence of a lot of things that is happening within SMNI when it comes to the fake news, when it comes to the information, when it comes to documents that are being presented. So maraming incongruencies. And it seems that is what's common. So yes, Congressman.